Hello and welcome to Veterans Marketing Agency, the channel where you can learn about digital marketing tools, trends, tips, and more. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 strategies to boost engaging content for your website or blog. Content is king, as they say, and it's one of the most important factors that determines your online success. But how do you create content that attracts, engages, and converts your audience? How do you make sure your content stands out from the crowd and delivers value to your readers? Here are 10 strategies that can help you achieve that. Strategy 1. Know your audience. Before you write anything, you need to understand who you're writing for. What are their pain points, goals, interests, and preferences? How can you solve their problems or satisfy their needs with your content? Use tools like Google Analytics, surveys, and social media to research your audience and create buyer personas. Strategy 2. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your content? Do you want to increase traffic, generate leads, build trust, educate, or entertain? Having clear and specific goals will help you craft content that aligns with your objectives and measures your results. Strategy 3. Choose the right format. Depending on your audience and goals, you may want to use different types of content formats such as blog posts, ebooks, infographics, videos, podcasts, webinars, and more. Each format has its own advantages and disadvantages, so choose the one that suits your topic, message, and audience best. Strategy 4. Optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the process of improving your content's visibility and ranking on search engines like Google. To optimize your content for SEO, you need to use relevant keywords, write catchy headlines, use proper tags and meta descriptions, include internal and external links, and more. Strategy 5. Write with clarity and simplicity. Your content should be easy to read and understand by your audience. Avoid using jargon, technical terms, or complex sentences that may confuse or bore your readers. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, subheadings, and images to break up your text and make it more scannable. Strategy 6. Add value and originality. Your content should provide something useful and unique to your audience. Don't just rehash what others have already said or copy-paste from other sources. Instead, offer your own insights, opinions, stories, or data that add value and originality to your content. Strategy 7. Use storytelling techniques. Storytelling is a powerful way to capture your audience's attention and emotion. By using storytelling techniques such as setting the scene, creating a conflict, building suspense, and delivering a resolution, you can make your content more engaging and memorable. Strategy 8. Include a call to action. A call to action, CTA, is a statement that prompts your audience to take a specific action after reading or watching your content. For example, you may ask them to subscribe to your newsletter, download your ebook, share your post, or contact you for more information. A CTA should be clear, concise, and compelling. Strategy 9. Promote your content. Creating great content is not enough if no one sees it. You need to promote your content on various channels where your audience hangs out, such as social media platforms, email newsletters, forums, or groups. You can also use paid advertising methods such as Google Ads or Facebook ads to boost your reach and visibility. Strategy 10. Analyze and improve. Finally, you need to track and measure the performance of your content using tools like Google Analytics or HubSpot. You can look at metrics such as views, clicks, shares, comments, conversions, and more to see how well your content is doing and what areas need improvement. These are 10 strategies that can help you boost engaging content for your website or blog. If you want to learn more about this topic in detail, please visit our website veteranspk.com, where we have a comprehensive blog post on this topic. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing content. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.